Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Azure Notification Service. What is the solution architecture for Azure Notification Service? How we are going to implement Azure Notification Service or any notification system with your business. Let's suppose you are running one e-commerce site where you are selling so many products. Now on Black Friday you need to publish some notification to your regular customers or your premium customer or your gold customer, or it can be your subscriber. You want to offer some special price for some specific product to them. Then your system should be able to send the communication to your customers. Those customer may accept the SMS, and they might be on checking the WhatsApp, or they might be checking the email. So your system should be in a efficient way which can send the notification to your customers whenever product price is getting down. Then they would be notifying, they would be receiving the product, they would be receiving the product down price on their Android device, iOS device, via SMS or via WhatsApp or via email. So this is all about that notification system. So here we are going to explain the architecture, solution architecture of notification service. So you can see in this diagram, I have one product catalog service, product service SPC, and I have database, and then I'll be introducing Azure Function App. That function app would be working as a event handler, and whenever price would be down or whenever offer price would be updated, then this notification service, Azure notification service, would be triggered, and then it would use this push notification. MPNS is Microsoft push notification service, Apple push notification service, and Firebase cloud messaging, and Google cloud messaging. These are the name full form of this push notification service, and with the help of them we can push to the Android iOS device of your users or your customers. For email, there it may require some customizations because this Azure notification by default doesn't support the email. So that's why I written here custom code which will help to send the email notification also. So this is all about the overview of architecture of notification service, where you can see this component and you can understand the overview of this architecture. Now when we designing this solution, you need to take care some functional requirement. So here are the some functional system should be able to send notification to subscribed customers, regular customer, gold customer, premium customer, any type of customers. But for specific customers, you might you can release some special offer also. And then it should be system should be able to support email, SMS, push notification to mobile and web browser. And you need to take care for single or simple bulk notification. Bulk notification means one notification can send to the multiple customers, or also one message can have multiple product, detail of multiple product or price. No same, we need to ensure that no same notification should be two time. Redundancy or duplicacy need to take care. And this service, whatever notification use cases, barrier notification, we need to do the analysis of that also. Analytic services, it will be later on will use for reporting purpose, how many notification have been sent on some specific date, week or month, for that purpose. Now non-functional requirement also, it should be highly scalable, highly available, with high performance also, low latency, and that is also, and the solution should be compatible with Azure, AWS and GCP. And yes, scalability means horizontal scalability should be on place, and it should support the Android, mobile desktop, laptop, web browser, all those devices. So that is a functional requirement and non-functional requirement we would be taking as a part of this solution architecture of notification service. Now coming to the next detailed analysis of this notification architecture. So in this diagram you can see what I did. I started from here. Let me maximize this little more. Yes. Yeah. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah. So here we have this product catalog service, and what we are checking in catalog service, we can have some validation. When price, we can define some this threshold, SKU threshold. When price of any product is getting down with that threshold, then this will trigger this your service, and then it will process those product to notification service. And second one is no alert. Let's suppose user want that they don't want to receive the notification on some specific time, like in the night time, then system should be stop sending the message on no alert window, and in the morning, and when alert window is finished, then it should be able to process all those notification. And third one is multiplex. If flag is enabled, then some product can be combined and sent all product in single notification, single message. That kind of configuration, dynamic configuration we can put. And bulk messaging also. Bulk message means one message can be sent to the various customers. So those kind of dynamic configuration flag we can set here, and here in Azure function would be working as a event handler, which will be trigger basis on time, basis on event, or basis on other filter criteria, or we can do some filtration of the template also, and then it will be calling to the your Azure Notification Hub service, and then Azure Notification Hub service will be getting the detail of users of your users, and those users would be coming from the user preference database, which is mentioned here in this block, you can see. And then this preference data would be coming from user profile service. So in the user profile service, there would be active users, those would be considered, those would be included, and this identity provider will come into the picture also. And then will be passing those some set of configuration here also needed, where we can see maximum notification per day, or this is all about the preference, setting the preference for your customers. That kind of preference we can set here, and this tracking database, and here some filter preference would be available, and then notification service would pick from there, and then notification would use this window, you can say WNS, window notification service, and which will send these notification, push these notification on window device. And other one is MPNS, Microsoft push notification service. So that is that will use for sending, pushing the notification to you can say phone devices, iOS, Android, and it's some notification which are not pushing to the customer's device, then those we can retry with them, and if it's still problem, then we can put them into the dead lettering queue. And from using some custom logic also, we can send these notification these messages or to some users who are checking, we can send as a email also. So that would be some customization is needed, because this Azure notification service is not supporting email out of the box feature. Okay, and then in the down diagram we can see automation, infra as a code. So infra as a code, whatever solution we have introduced here, function app, the notification, Azure Notification Hub service, and various other, this DB and various others is stuff related to user profile, product catalog service, all are part of the solution notification system. So this should be created as a infra as a code using Terraform automation infra as a code. So here below is solution which would be creating your solution as a code infra as a code, I mean on the portal. Here the example of Azure. So what I mentioned here, this is Azure pipeline, let's suppose, and when they push the code and then pipeline will trigger, and then it will do this scan or initialization of state, which is one part step of the Terraform. And initialization done successfully, no error, then it will generate the Terraform execution plan, what are the resources getting added, what are the getting updated, and then it will apply those resources. If there is no destroy, no change and destroy, then it will go for auto approval. Program will automatically approve and apply those resources to the Azure. Or if it is change or destroy is included, then it will wait for manual approval, then release manager or administrator would be approving it, and then it will apply those resources into the Azure. Now here this is the example of Azure, but you can also apply the same solution with AWS and GCP or some other cloud also. Reason because here this is all about step number 3, 4, 5. This is Terraform. So Terraform is common, it's a loosely coupled, it's a separate tool which will be working with all the clouds, Azure, AWS, GCP. So this is all about solution architecture of notification system, which you can implement in your project or with your customers as a part of automation also, including Terraform, all those things. And then below are some considerations, some communication channel also, email, SMS, push notification. Azure function is used to reduce the cost. It would be executing on demand, and it is serverless also, so that's the reason it is cheaper solution. And then IAC integration, we are using Terraform for infra as a code, which will take care for creation of your resources via program. It's 100% automation. Auto scaling and Docker containerization, you can also go with that as part of other services also. And then scalability is horizontal scalability should be enabled here. And then security, various things you need to take care as a part of security, encryption, decryption of some customer sensitive data, also some confidential keys. And then authentication authorization is yes, very important as part of this. Network security is also, so I mentioned these network security options here. And also one managed identity is also there that need to be take care. So this is all about solution architecture of notification service. And in next video we will be looking the practical of this Azure notification service via Azure portal. So thank you very much for watching this, and see you in next video with practical assessment and with practical lab of notification system which we discuss in this video. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye.